JNTU Hyderabad has provided ELSDM to the students, staff of all colleges. The first exposure I had was when my son, who was writing MS exam, he came to India and has written a online exam, final exam from India. I was so surprised that neither teacher is there nor learning is there. Everything happened online. That is the power of e-learning, e-pedagogy, e-teaching. In my college, first we have provided first years with Globalina English classes, and students were learning much better than when a teacher is providing the same material. Students are becoming more and more adaptable to computers, learning through computers. Also today, some of the important topics a student leaves because of some problem with attendance, he will not have a opportunity to have correct teaching. By providing all the material, ELSDM is providing a platform for students to learn on their own, at their home, at their convenience, at their time of best learning. They can be at home, sitting in the midnight, early morning, in the evening, whenever they feel the material is available to them. It is just like you are providing them all the material in their pocket. So this methodology definitely is for the future. It requires lot of effort from the college, from the staff and students to adopt. Right now the usage is probably only 20% because of not being aware, and I am sure this has to evolve. Now the first revision is going on. Before the second revision of ELSDM comes, all the colleges who have used, definitely they should give a feedback so that an improvement can come. Also the teachers, if they feel that their notes are better, then they should give their notes in the ELSDM so that all the students of the colleges can be benefited. Ultimately, our student is our student, but our college, our university, our country's students should be the best in the world. And I wish all the students, all the staff of all the colleges to use this meticulously, take the help, give feedback so that we all benefit. And we also thank JNTU Hyderabad in providing this software so that we can have better pedagogy. Thank you.